Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove or delete domains from Shopify. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, and then you want to click on just log in into your Shopify store. And then what you guys need to do, you want to click here on settings, okay? You want to click on settings, and then after that, you want to click on domains here. Okay, so after guys you click on domains here, you will find all your domains here. Okay, and as you can see, I have like I connected like 4 domains. Now in case you want to delete this domain that says myshopify.com, you cannot do that because it's like the default domain, so it like you need that. Okay, so you will not be able to remove it. Okay, if you only have that domain here, you will not be able to remove it because it's like the default domain for Shopify. Now after you now what you guys need to do to remove the domain is you want to just select which domain you want to use. Okay, so for example, if you only have one domain name, for example, you only have like 2, you want to go to the default domain, and you want to set it as a primary. Okay, I'm going to try to show you guys what I mean. So I'm going to click on change domain type, and I'm going to set it to primary domain. Okay, so if I set this domain as a primary, which is the domain, for example, I want to delete, I'm not going to be able to delete it if I don't set the default domain name, which is this shopify.com, myshopify.com. If I don't set it to primary, I'm not able to delete other domains. Okay, because Shopify cannot run without a domain. So what you guys need to do in this case, you want to go to myshopify.com, click on it, and then click on change domain type, and you want to set it to primary domain. And now you can remove all your other domains if you want. Click on them, and this scroll down, and you will see this like red button here. Click on delete domain, and then click on delete remove here, or you can transfer it to another Shopify store if you want. Okay, after you remove it, as you can see, just click on remove, and that's exactly how you can remove the domain name from your Shopify. If this one helped you, if you need any help, please go to the comments and let me know exactly what your questions are. Or here you can click on transfer domain in the top, and you can transfer your domain to another Shopify store. Hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, and see you guys next video.